here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are chatting all about installing laminate flooring in your home. When we moved into our suburban cookie cutter home 2 years ago, I vowed to transform every surface of this house over time, and I am here to tell you that I took on almost all the flooring in our main home, completely ripped out and replaced it with beautiful laminate plank flooring, and it looks a million times different now. So I wanted to show you all of the before and afters today and tell you a little bit about why I chose laminate for our home and why you might want to consider it too. This project is sponsored by Select Surfaces, who manufactures the most beautiful, durable laminate on the market. This laminate flooring is wide planks and very thick. It comes in the most amazing colors, guys. This is the warm gray color that I chose. This is from their brand new Spill Defense laminate line available at Sam's Club, and it is not only beautiful but also affordable and incredibly durable. The last thing I wanted to do was install new floors and then be stressing out about every scratch and spill. With a dog running around the house all the time and sippy cups falling off the table, I didn't want to have to worry about ruining new flooring, and this laminate flooring is incredibly tough. It's going to withstand active households like ours for years to come. Another main reason to choose laminate flooring is because it is great on your budget. The affordable price tag means you get a quality flooring with the authentic wood grain, hand-scraped look of hardwoods for a fraction of the cost. Select Surfaces brand laminate is sold at Sam's Club, which makes it so convenient to grab. Laminate flooring comes in wide planks that click together like a dream. So if you are a DIYer, this flooring is designed just for you. I have never installed flooring before, and if I can do it, so can you. Select Surfaces laminate comes with a pre-attached foam backer, so you don't even have to mess with underlayment. All you need to do is rip up your old flooring and get to work. So happy with the look of our new laminate flooring. The warm gray color is so beautiful in our home, and it really looks like the real deal. The laminate flooring from Select Surfaces is embossed with an authentic hand-scraped wood grain texture, so it seriously looks and feels just like hardwood. It comes in tons of on-trend colors with beautiful wood grain patterns and is so easy to clean and maintain. I just love this stuff.